the cheapest PC upgrade to get more FPS in Valorant. Many people underestimate how important the RAM is. Even a slight overclock can get you more than 50 FPS. So the best RAM for Valorant for DDR4 is HP V10 RGB RAM. It is Samsung B-Die, which is the best RAM type available for DDR4. It also allows you to automatically overclock it on 3 different frequencies, depending on your needs. So it's gonna be good for Intel and Ryzen as well. I'm gonna link it down below. If it's not available in your country, I'm gonna link alternatives.